Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumoni, your maths teacher. So students, today we are going to do question number 15 from exercise 9.1. Question number 15 from exercise 9.1. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching to the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. So students, we need to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So students, this is the figure of question number 15. So this one I have drawn roughly. You have to draw it by scale and use pencil in exam. So students, it is given that a man is standing at the top of the tower and he observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree, and which is, that means this car is approaching towards the foot of the tower, and at this point it makes angle of depression as 60 degree. Now it is given in the question that 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree, and you need to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. That means you need to find the time taken by the car to reach this one, this CD. So let us do this. So students, this one is what? Angle of depression, isn't it? And see, this I have named it as A, B, C, D, and this one as P. Now you can see this AP is parallel to BD. And since this is 60 degree, that means this AC will be the transversal and this one will be 60 degree, and this is 30 degree, and that means this one is AB is the transversal, so therefore this angle will be 30 degree, isn't it? So which is alternate angle, isn't it? All these are alternate angles. Now students, you have to write at first, what is this point? This is the top of the tower, isn't it? You have to write all this, and after that you write down in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD. This is what? Right angle triangle, and here if you find out tan 60 degree. So tan 60 will be what? Perpendicular by base. So the side just opposite to this angle will be perpendicular and this one will be base. So AD divided by DC. So after that, we know the value of tan 30 as root over 3 equal to AD divided by DC, and after that this one you can write it as AD equal to root over 3 into DC. Give it as number 1. After that students, you take triangle ABD. See, ABD. This is also a right angle triangle, and here you find out tan 30 degree. So what will be tan 30 degree? Perpendicular, which is AD divided by BD. So tan 30 is equal to AD divided by BD. So what you will get? The value of tan 30, students, it is 1 by root over 3 equal to AD divided by BD. And after that AD is equal to what? BD, this one BD divided by root over 3. Give it as number 2. So students, you can see here AD is equal to root over 3 into DC, and here AD is equal to BD by root over 3. So what you can write? You can write like from 1 and 2. This side I am writing from 1 and 2. We can write this root over 3 DC. Root over 3 DC is equal to this one, BD by root over 3. BD by root over 3. Okay. After that, students, root over 3 into root over 3 is 3DC equal to BD. Okay. And this BD, you can write it as what? BC plus CD. Okay. So here 3 into DC equal to BC plus DC. Okay. So students, you can see here 3DC and this one is DC. So you will get 3DC minus DC equal to BC. That means 2 into DC equal to BC. Okay. So you will get CD or DC equal to BC by 2. Give it as number 3. Okay, students. Now you write down like given that. Okay, you write down given that time taken by time taken to cover BC. It is given in the question as 6 seconds. Okay. So time taken, okay, to cover BC by 2 will be what, students? It will be 6 by 2, which is 3 seconds. 6 by 2 seconds, which is 3 seconds. Okay. So in the question we need to find what? We need to find the time taken to reach this one, C to D, isn't it? So students, this one BC by 2 is what? BC by 2 is actually CD. Okay. So you can write therefore time taken to cover. So in place of this BC by 2, we are writing it as CD. Okay. So CD equal to 3 seconds. So this is your answer. So at last you write down, hence it takes 3 seconds to reach to the foot of the tower.